So if you open up your flaps, oops, wrong direction. The top says structures, bottom section is where we will write the functions. Our structures for the integumentary system include your skin, hair, and fingernails. What you cut off at the top of this foldable set, it said Animal Kingdom. We cut that off and threw that away. In animals, though, their integumentary system also includes things like fur, claws, scales, and feathers. So we're going to write down those structures for animals as well. The integumentary system is the only system that we're going to look at where we've got a big visible difference between animals and human beings. The rest of our general structures will be the same for animals and humans because we are a part of the animal kingdom. Functions of our integumentary system. It guards against or protects us from infections, injury, UV light, ultraviolet light. If you have too much of this, you get skin cancer. And it regulates body temperature. Are we ready to go on? Everybody done writing? Okay, next system, skeletal system. Our structures, bones and cartilage, function, it supports your body, protects organs, and inside of your bones help to make your blood cells. All right, are we good with skeletal system? Structures of the muscular system. Would be the muscles. We have 3 types. skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. We also have 3 functions. The first one goes with our skeletal muscles. Your skeletal muscles move your body. Second function, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles include your heart and blood vessels. They move blood around your body. Then 3, the smooth muscles. Your smooth muscles make up most of your other organs, things like your stomach and your intestines. So smooth muscles move food through your digestive system. Okay, are we ready? I can go on. Right, next one's going to be the immune system. Structures in the immune system. We have white blood cells, and then lymph nodes and vessels. So under our functions, it's going to work with the lymphatic system. Your textbook actually has these 2 systems combined. There we go. When it's working with the lymphatic system, it does 2 things. It helps to protect your body from disease. And the immune system and lymphatic system, they reduce swelling in your body. So if you've got parent or grandparents that talk about their feet swelling or their hands swelling, or they've put on water weight today, tends to be more of an issue with older people because their systems aren't working as well as they used to. Not something you have to worry about at your young teenage age. Next system is the respiratory system. This includes things like our lungs, nose, and pharynx, and X. our functions. It's going to bring in oxygen, or O2. And removes CO2, carbon dioxide. Pharynx, that should be Pharynx. So that's when you breathe in through your nose, that's the tubes that connect your nose to your lungs. Good here? Right, so that was respiratory. Moving on to digestive system. So our structures, mouth, stomach and intestines, the functions, breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates solid waste. And we're halfway there. So next system will be the nervous system. Its structures include brain, spinal cord, and all of your other nerves. It controls all of our other systems. And it does that by using electrical impulses. Later on in the year, we'll talk a little bit more exactly how that works. But today, it's just a general overview. Yes? Mm-hmm. Good here? Okay, endocrine system is our next one. We have lots of various glands. endocrine system controls your growth, development, metabolism. It controls those things using a chemical signal. Which is more commonly referred to as your hormones. Those are a chemical signal that your glands are creating. All right, almost done. Moving on to the circulatory system. This includes your heart, your blood vessels, and your blood. And it's going to transport lots of things like oxygen, nutrients from the digestive system, hormones from the endocrine system, it removes cell waste, and along with your integumentary system helps to control or regulate your body temperature. More, and then we're done with notes. Ready to go on? Next to last system is the excretory system. This includes your kidneys, your ureters, your bladder, and your urethra. Kidneys make your urine, it gets transported through the ureters to your bladder, and it exits your bladder out of your body through your urethra. So your excretory system removes liquid waste. It removes the urine. And our last one is the reproductive system, the structures, we're going to separate out males versus females, because in this system they are different. Males, it's the testes and the penis. Females, it's the ovaries and the uterus. The function is to produce gametes, sperm, and egg. And then in females, the female reproductive system also nurtures the developing embryo. In animals that lay eggs, birds, reptiles, fish, once the female creates the egg, she's done with her nurturing job. Mammals, that lasts a little bit longer.